Tyler, tell us how the Orions, bro. You rode both the Orions.
Well, the handlebars that come on it, they don't last. One, I just crashed. Pretty serious wreck, but the other ones I didn't even wreck on and totally crashed. Other than that, clutch blew up in the 200cc. I didn't even make 3 laps. So, not a great day for the Orion bikes for sure.
Charlie Bogart on our 08 Sport.
I'd say I first got on it, and I just don't ride the little bike much. Now I'm more a good sized rider. I say I was impressed with the amount of torque it has. It's easy to pick the wheel up. You see me wheeling in all those?
Here we have Charlie Bogart. He's racing on a Hellboy up against a 150cc Orion, Tyler Rawlings. You can see he's pretty much kicking his ass. That's a 146 pit bike up against a 150cc Orion.